Another huge week in AI, with some massive updates from Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and more. Here are the 6 biggest stories from the last 7 days. And before proceeding into the video, for more AI and tech-related content, don't forget to subscribe to the Online Planet channel, because here, quality comes before quantity. And now, let's dive in. Up first on the list is Microsoft's major Excel Copilot update. Microsoft is making Excel a lot smarter. They've added Copilot directly inside cells, which means you can just type a natural language prompt like calculate monthly growth rate and Excel will build the formula for you. It's still early and not perfect, but for anyone who struggles with formulas, this could be a game changer for productivity. Moving on to OpenAI, the company that kicked off the whole AI boom with ChatGPT. Their latest model, GPT-5, has just hit a major milestone. It actually outperformed human experts on medical reasoning tests. That includes tasks like analyzing scans, answering diagnostic questions, and even offering clinical reasoning. Of course, doctors aren't going anywhere, but it shows just how quickly AI is advancing in healthcare, a field where accuracy and speed can literally save lives. Next up, Runway, the startup best known for its AI video editing tools, is changing the way we think about building video game environments. They just launched Game Worlds, which lets creators design interactive 3D environments using AI. Imagine typing a description and instantly generating a playable game world. It is still experimental and has plenty of scopes to improve, but it shows how fast AI is expanding beyond video into gaming. Now, of course, we can't talk AI without mentioning Google. The company continues to push updates across its massive ecosystem, from search to Gmail to Docs, all powered by its Gemini AI. These improvements might not feel flashy, but they show Google's strategy. It doesn't want AI to be just another app. It wants AI baked into everything you already use. And finally, let's head over to Alibaba, one of the giants in China's tech scene. They've launched their own image editing model known as Qwen Image Edit, a new AI tool for image editing. With just a text prompt, you can remove objects, swap backgrounds, or tweak fine details in a photo. While it hasn't made huge waves in the West, it's another sign that the AI race isn't just happening in the US. China is pushing hard too. Alright, so that's the roundup. Let me know in the comments, which of these do you think will have the biggest impact? And for more AI-related content, don't forget to subscribe to the Online Planet channel right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.